Conversation 41, Oral Exams.
Hey, Cindy. Have you finished the exam?
Yes, I have. How are you?
Was it hard?
Well, yes. It was hard, pretty hard.
Did you pass?
I don't know. Mrs. Lester didn't tell me.
What questions did she ask?
First she asked me what my name was.
That was easy, wasn't it?
Yes, except I couldn't remember. Then she asked me where I came from, and how long it took to get here from my country.
And what else did she ask?
She asked how long I'd been studying English here in Canada, and she asked how I would use English in the future.
Yes, go on.
Then she asked me to explain the difference between my country and Canada.
Anything else?
I'm trying to remember. Oh, yes. She asked if I spoke any other language.
Is that all?
Oh, there were a lot of other questions. She asked me what my hobbies were, where I visited in Canada. Then I was asked to read a passage.
What did she say at the end?
Let's see. Oh, yes! She asked me to tell you to go in right away. Conversation 42. Would you call me?
Well, see you tomorrow.
I'd better go, too. Oh, would you do me a favor?
Sure.
Would you call me tomorrow at 6 o'clock in the morning? Tomorrow is my daughter's birthday. I want to get her a new robe, and I have to pick up the dry cleaning, and pick up the cake from the bakery. Anyway, I have lots of things to do. But I'm not sure I can get up early.
Do you need a hand?
Oh, can you? That would be great. Can you go to the mall and buy her a new robe, pick up the dry cleaning, and get the cake from the bakery?
And what will you be doing?
Sleeping in, of course. Conversation 43. Can I let you know?
Are you going out with Leonard tonight?
Uh-huh. He's supposed to pick me up at 6:30. What time is it now?
5:45. You'd better get going.
You're kidding. I haven't even taken a shower.
Where are you going?
We haven't made up our minds yet. Maybe to a movie, maybe to a party.
Go and see Forrest Gump. It's supposed to be interesting.
Oh, maybe we will. I've heard The Sixth Sense is good, too.
Well, personally I prefer Forrest Gump. I really should be going. Do you want to go shopping tomorrow?
I'd like to go, but it depends. I might have to go to the store tomorrow and do some work. Can I let you know first thing in the morning?
Okay, that would be all right. Ring.
Oh, there's the phone. It must be Leonard.
Well, I'll be going. Call me up tomorrow.
I will. Have a good evening.
You too.
Conversation 44. On the phone, a less formal call.
Good afternoon, Scott and Smith. May I help you?
May I speak to Mr. Scott or Mr. Smith, please?
I'm sorry, they aren't here right now. Who's calling, please?
George Martin.
Is there any message I can take, Mr. Martin?
No, I'll call back later.
Thank you for calling Scott and Smith.
Conversation 45. A cup of coffee.
Can I get you something to drink?
A cup of coffee, please.
With milk and sugar.
A little milk, but no sugar.
I never drink coffee at night.
Why not?
It keeps me awake.
What do you drink with supper?
Tea, it helps me relax.
I don't like tea.
There are so many kinds of tea. Maybe you should shop around and try to find one you like because coffee is so bad for you.
That's a good idea.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.